Welcome to Madeira Island, located in the Atlantic Ocean. Dramatic cliffs and crystal waters, peaks, forests, and adventures. Unique flora and fauna. Charming historical villages. World-renowned Madeira wine. Hidden viewpoints await. Sunsets that paint the sky. Secluded beaches and coves. Adventure for every explorer. Botanical paradise of the Atlantic. History comes alive in every corner. Sip the essence of Madeira. Aerial views that steal the breath. A spectrum of colors in every season. Sea adventures await your call. Explore charming coastal roads, trails for every level of hiker. Dive into a world of wonders, festivals that ignite the soul, the volcanic heartbeat of Madeira. Sail into the Atlantic's embrace. Until next time, Madeira awaits. Subscribe for more adventures with the Travel Consult.